How much should you actually spend on a home wind turbine? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, while others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Marsret Stainless Steel Roof Ventilator. First up is the Marsret Stainless Steel 201 Non-Power Roof Ventilator, priced at just $30.99. What caught my attention was its durable stainless steel construction, making a solid choice for any rooftop. If you want efficient air circulation in your home, this is worth a serious look. This ventilator helps reduce indoor heat buildup, improving airflow and keeping your space cooler. A must if you live in a hot climate. With a compact 110mm size, it fits easily into small roof openings while still providing effective ventilation. It's lightweight at just 1.57 pounds, making installation a breeze, especially on garages or warehouses. What's great is that it's designed to withstand various weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about rust or poor performance. Now, some people have mentioned that the installation could be tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who can follow basic instructions, you'll find it manageable. But if DIY isn't your thing, you might want to consider hiring someone to help. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to improve airflow in your home. Skip this one if you need a powered option for more extensive ventilation needs. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if that installation concern bothered you, the next product offers a different kind of convenience. Product number 2, Nightbreeze DIY Wind Turbine Generator. Next up is the Nightbreeze DIY Wind Turbine Generator, priced at $79.99. What caught my eye is its interactive design that makes it not just a wind turbine, but also a light display for your yard. If you want a fun way to add ambience to your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. The Nightbreeze features wind-powered LED lights that automatically illuminate as the wind blows. This means you can enjoy a colorful display in your backyard without any batteries. It really makes for an engaging experience on windy nights. Plus, the durable materials used for the blades ensure it can withstand strong winds. Easy assembly is a big plus here, too. Just stake it into the ground and attach the blades. Now, some users found that it doesn't perform well in extremely low winds. Here's the thing. If you live in an area with inconsistent winds, this might not be the best fit. But if you have moderate to strong winds, it's a delightful addition that enhances your backyard. This is perfect for you if you love spending time outdoors and want to add a decorative touch to your yard. Skip it if you need a serious energy-generating wind turbine. It's a fun and affordable way to utilize wind power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for generating energy. Product number 3. Picasola Wind Turbine Generator Kit. Coming in at $269.99 is the Picasola Wind Turbine Generator Kit. I was drawn to its power output capabilities, which can reach up to 410 watts. If you're looking for a reliable energy source for your home or RV, this is worth a serious look. This kit starts producing energy at a low wind speed of just 2.5 meters per second, making it effective in a variety of conditions. The blades are made from lightweight nylon carbon fiber, which means they're both strong and resistant to corrosion. Plus, the design includes a yaw adjustment system that automatically aligns the rotor with the wind direction, optimizing energy capture. The product has received a fair number of reviews, which indicates that many buyers have found it effective in real-world applications. However, some users reported issues with assembly instructions being unclear. Here's the thing. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, this could be a hassle for you. But if you enjoy tinkering or have some experience, it's a fantastic investment for harnessing wind energy. This is perfect for you if you're serious about renewable energy solutions for your home or RV. Skip this if you're looking for something simple that doesn't require installation. It's a more significant investment, but can pay off in the long run. Now, if you're looking for something a bit easier to set up, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Thames & Cosmos Wind Power Version 5.0 Kit. Next, we have the Thames & Cosmos Wind Power Version 5.0 STEM Experiment Kit, priced at $35.89. It's an interesting pick because it's not just a wind turbine. It's also a fun educational experience for kids. If you're looking for a way to teach about renewable energy while having fun, this is worth a serious look. This kit allows kids to build their own 3-foot-tall wind turbine and learn about how wind energy works. The indoor and outdoor capabilities mean it can be used in different environments, and the included model car can be powered by the energy generated. It's fascinating to see how simple concepts can translate into real-world applications. Plus, with a 32-page manual, it guides you through assembly and scientific concepts. However, the kit is designed for a younger audience, which means it might not be robust enough for adults looking for a serious energy solution. Here's the thing. If you're an adult looking for serious power generation, this isn't for you. But if you're engaging with kids or looking to spark an interest in STEM, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want to introduce kids to renewable energy in a fun way. Skip it if you need a practical energy source for your home. It's an affordable way to explore wind power. Finally, the last product on our list takes energy generation up a notch. Product number 5, Vever 500W Wind Turbine Kit. Lastly, we have the Vever 500W Wind Turbine Kit, retailing for $125.90. What stood out to me was its efficient performance, capable of generating 500 watts. If you want a solid wind turbine for various applications like homes or farms, this is worth a serious look. The Vever kit delivers high efficiency with a startup wind speed of just 2.5 meters per second and is designed to operate quietly at 55 dB, allowing you to harness wind energy without disturbing your peace. The 5-blade design is crafted from durable materials, ensuring it can handle extreme weather conditions. Plus, the MPPT controller optimizes power generation, which means better energy efficiency and performance. However, a few users found the setup process to be complicated. Here's the thing. If you're not technically inclined, this may be a bit challenging. But for those who are willing to learn and invest some time, it's a powerful option that can significantly benefit your energy needs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and efficient wind turbine system for your home or farm. Skip this if you prefer something very easy to install without much fuss. It provides great value for its price and can be a worthwhile investment. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Marsrut roof ventilator for basic airflow needs, the Night Breeze for a decorative touch, the Picasola for serious energy generation, the Thames and Cosmos for educational fun, and finally, the Vever for high efficiency. Each product has its strengths and ideal use cases, so consider what fits your needs best